When I say different institutions or banks or just anything in general partner with cryptocurrency, and I'm going to say cryptocurrency broadly, I'm excited because it means that much more utility, that much more adoption, right? When you see countries that are adopting or finding ways to uh, get their citizens, to get their people involved in cryptocurrency, it's a big deal, right? In my opinion, it's a huge deal because it levels up crypto to that much more accepted, right? Widely accepted, currency, widely accepted thing. And that's what we're here today to talk about. We're going to talk about Korean institutions and how they can now access XRP through regulated custody platform. Now, this is a big deal here because every little thing adds up to huge things, and any big thing that adds with another big thing, you're talking about something that's massive. So we're taking these steps, but it's not like we're taking just regular steps. It's like, when you walk up the steps and you like skip a step and you have two steps in between, but you're really jumping like four steps. That's kind of what we're doing here, right? We're compounding the growth, compounding the utility, compounding the acceptance in a way. So I'm excited for everything that Ripple does. I'm excited for everything that XRP is included in. So let's talk about that here today. If you guys could, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. Now, if you guys want to also, check out the exchange that I pretty much use from last year. I've been using BTCC that allows you to trade up to a 500x leverage. I've been able to do short term, long term, just all of these trades in many different cryptocurrencies, whether it's a 2x leverage or all the way up to a 500x leverage. You can get a 10% deposit bonus when you specifically use my link. Extra bonuses up to $10,055 and 40% lower trading fees. So if you guys are interested in trading or in investing long term, but just having that little bit of a leg up, feel free to check out my link for BTCC down below. Now, let's get into this news, right? We're just going to jump right into it. So, Korean institutions can now access XRP through regulated custody platforms. So, BDACS, South Korea's regulated crypto custodian, officially launched institutional custody support for XRP on August 5th, 2025. The rollout marks the first concrete outcome of the partnership between BDACS and Ripple Labs announced in February 2025. So it's basically you had this partnership that was announced, but obviously not reaching final levels or areas, right, to where you can actually have that official launch of the support of XRP. So just seeing that you're now reaching it shows how long it takes to get things done, and that was in the last couple of days. So the launch provides Korean institutions with regulated access to XRP through BDACS's custody platform. It described XRP as one of the most popular digital assets in Korea in their announcement post on X. Now, again, they're not only one of the most popular digital assets, they are probably the most popular digital asset worldwide. Like in the US, definitely, I'll tell you that. XRP is now live on BDACS. We're thrilled to offer custody support for XRP, one of the most popular digital assets in Korea, to our institutional clients. This launch strengthens our long-standing partnership with Ripple and underscores our commitment to Korean market. Um, the custody service used Ripple Custody, an enterprise grade software platform designed for institutions to securely store and manage digital assets. This integration allows institutional clients to access XRP through a regulated framework in South Korea. Um, BDACS has recently integrated with South Korea's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, including Upbit, Coin One, Corbit. This integration, or and Corbit, this integration enables institutional clients to deploy XRP across countries, top platform trading platforms in a regulatory compliant manner. This February partnership between Ripple and BDACS was designed to align with South Korea's Financial Services Commission roadmap. The roadmap seeks to expand institutional participation in country's digital asset market. Partnership details and future plans. The original partnership announcement included plans to support both XRP and RLUSD, Ripple's US dollar denominated stablecoin. RLUSD is backed by dollar reserves and targeted at enterprise and financial institutions. At the time of the February announcement, BDACS has cited research projecting that crypto custody could reach $16 trillion in assets by 2030. The firm also referenced projections that 10% of global GDP could be tokenized by then. And hopefully that's through Ripple services, obviously. Ripple's managing director for Asia Pacific region said the collaboration came during a period of rising market activity in South Korea. She also pointed to evolving regulatory conditions in the country as a factor of the partnership. BDACS CEO Harry stated that the firm aimed to provide secure and compliant custody services. The goal was to support Ripple's blockchain initiatives with South Korea's regulatory framework. So, just to get, I guess, a little bit more, South Korea market information, and also to understand the hype and attention and push that this gets for XRP. Recent data, the Institution of Finance revealed that one in four South Koreans in their 20s to 50s own digital assets. Cryptocurrency makes up 14% of their financial portfolios on average. The study showed the highest participation rate among people in their 40s at 31%. This was followed by those in their 30s and 50s age range or age groups. The research also indicated increased confidence in cryptocurrency as a wealth building tool for retirement planning. This trend is particularly strong among older investors in the survey. And maybe because they're trying to get a leg up as they are older rather than having that long-term growth. You know what I mean? A technical background, XRP serves as the native token for XRP Ledger, layer 1 blockchain. The network is designed for low-cost, scalable transfers of digital and tokenized assets. BDACS has established partnerships beyond Ripple, including collaborations with Avalanche and Polymesh. The firm also works with Worry Bank and participates in projects within Bussin, hopefully I'm saying that right, Bussin's blockchain, regulation free. So, and then we could talk about, where it is. So we'll look at where XRP's price is. So this is obviously huge, just to see not only one piece, but this opens the door for institutions in general, right? Institutional clients. We're not talking about just like, oh, they're partnering with an institution. This is potentially partnering with an entire country, right? This is partnering with institutions to where you can see newer and better and bigger institutions that are being that are working with XRP in a large way, or working with Ripple in a large way, working with RLUSD in a large way. This is and can be absolutely huge for XRP and crypto in general, right? The exposure is just that much better, right? means that much more. So this is huge. I'll take this, right? Any partnership I will take. To where you feel like you're getting a lot out of the deal, and even the little wins, even the ones where it seems like it's just one, bank that they're partnering with. That one bank, that one small bank can lead to bigger bank partnerships and bigger institutional partnerships and larger country partnerships or worldwide partnerships, right? So that's something that I'm very, very hyped for and just super excited. So if we wanted to look at where XRP is right now, let's go ahead and take a look at where this position stands. Let me go ahead and get into it. XRP currently stands at a $3.03 price, up 51,000% for all history. In the last day, it's up 3.3%. We're seeing it at a $180 billion market cap with $4.22 billion worth of volume. So, and it looks like we're seeing some movement as of right now, as of 6:13 a.m. On August the 7th. So, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. I want to know what you guys think about this and any partnership, honestly. Any piece to where you feel like cryptocurrency is establishing itself in a place to where it hasn't been before, right? This is, in my opinion, huge. And to some people, it may not be anything, but it's definitely something that leads. This is huge. I don't care. I don't care what you say. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below for BTCC, Patreon, Twitter, all of those things. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.